Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create a poll in iMessage iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to create a poll on your iMessage on iOS 26 is go ahead and open the iMessage and then select the iMessage user. Make sure this particular person is using iPhone and the person has iMessage activated. So click on the plus button on the iMessage. Then locate and click on polls. Then it should say poll options. Go ahead and add your poll options. Mark you can add up to 12 different options on the poll. And once you're done, click on send. You can add command or message. Mark you cannot edit this poll once you send it. Then you should see the poll like this. You can add another choice like that, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to create a poll on iPhone iOS 26. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.